Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the knapsack problem using the greedy method. So you can call it as the fractional knapsack problem also. So here we will be applying the greedy method to solve the knapsack problem. Now the maximum capacity is given, that is 15, and here the items, their respective weights and the profit values are given. So let's solve step by step so that you will be getting the full on full marks if you solve this problem. Now consider a container. For the explanation purpose, I am taking a container and the maximum capacity of this container is of 15 weights. That is, you can fill the items or the objects in such a way that the maximum weights of the objects must be equal to 15. Exceeding 15, you cannot fill the objects. Now here items are being given. So you can take it as items also, or you can take it as objects also. Now objects are given, we must fill the objects in such a way that it must be satisfying the 15 weights, that is maximum is 15 weights, and we must get the maximum profit value here. Maximum profit value. So how to solve this problem means, first we must choose the objects which must be filled into this container so that we can get the maximum profit value. So how to choose these objects means we are having three techniques. The first technique is choosing the objects or the items based on their weight values. That is, whichever the objects or the item will be having the maximum weight, that object will be taken first. Next, second technique is taking on the basis of the profit values. So maximum profit means that object will be taken and put down in this container. Or the third and the most efficient technique is profit by weight ratio. Here profit values are given, weight values of each and every object has been given. First let's find the profit by weight ratio, then we will be choosing the least amount of the profit by weight ratio, and that object will be taken first and inserted into this container so that we will be getting the maximum profit value. So this is the more efficient technique, so we will be using this technique itself. So first let's find the profit by weight ratio of each and every object. Here profit is here, weights is here. Profit divided by weight, 10 divided by 2, what will be the value? 5. Next, 5 divided by 3 means 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. So 1.66. 15 divided by 5, it will be 3. 7 divided by 7, 1. 6 divided by 1, 6. 18 divided by 4. So 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4.5 will be the value. Next, 3 divided by 1 will be 3. I earlier said that first we will be finding the profit by weight ratio and choosing the object that is having the least amount of the profit by weight ratio value. Here 5, 1.66, 3, 1, 6, 4.5 and 3. So which is the smallest value among profit by weight ratio? That is 1. So first we will be choosing the fourth item to be inserted into this container so that we can get the maximum profit. So we must build a table and fill the values there. So the first column in the table we will be using is item or the object, you can call it as. Next we will be using the profit value of that item. Next, weight of that item. Next, the last one is remaining weight. Remaining weight. So what is the remaining weight means? At starting they have said the maximum capacity is of 15, no? So now it is 15. As we go on filling the items into that container, so the maximum capacity will decrease, no? So how much amount of the weight is left, that will be specified in this column. Now which object will be chosen first? Fourth object or the fourth item, because its value of the profit by weight ratio is very low. So fourth item will be chosen and its profit value is 7 and its weight is 7. So 15 was at the starting minus. Now we have used the object which is having the weight of 7. 15 minus 7 means it will be 8. Now we are left out with the maximum capacity of 8 weights. Next, 5, 1.66, 3, 6, 4.5 and 3. Which is the smallest among left out profit by weight ratios? That is 1.66. So 1.66 means its corresponding item or object is second and its profit value is 5 and its weight is 3. So left out or the remaining weight was 8 minus. Now we have inserted the item with the weight of 3. So 8 minus 3 means it will be 5. Now we are left out with 5 weight empty space. So now among profit by weight ratio, which is the smaller one which are left, 3, here also 3. There is a tie between the profit by weight ratio. At this situation, what we will be doing is, whichever the item will be having the maximum profit, we will be taking that one, because our only goal is to find the maximum profit now. So here, for this 3, the profit is 15. For this 3, the profit is 3. So first let's take this 3 because it is having the maximum profit. So its corresponding item or object is 3 and its profit value is 15 and its weight value is 5. 5 weights was remaining minus. Now we have inserted the third item which is having the weight of 5. So 5 minus 5 will be 0. Now the container is filled. No other object can be inserted into that one. So this is the last one. Only fourth, second and third item has been inserted into that container and all of them are left. We cannot insert them because there is no space left here. All the capacity has been filled. Now let's find the maximum profit. So maximum profit, add all of them. 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27. So now we got the maximum profit value. So the maximum profit value is of 27. So this completes the problem. What we must do? First let's find the profit by weight ratio of each and every item, and we must take the item which is having the least amount of the profit by weight ratio. So we will be decreasing the remaining weight according to the object's weight which we inserted into that container. After the completion or maximum capacity has been reached, then we will stop inserting the items and we will calculate the maximum profit. So that will be the final answer. So hope you understood the topic, and more problems related to this topic has been given in the description. You can see it there. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment below. I will clarify it. And if you liked the video, don't miss to subscribe. Please keep supporting us. Thank you.